Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to set up bank rules in Sage 1. Traditionally, many of the other providers have formal rules where you program the software to say every time you find a particular word or description or phrase on a bank statement, please deal with it in such a way. Sage works slightly differently in the sense that you will tell it where to post something and it will then remember that instead of you programming it. So here we have an example of where we've imported the bank transactions from our bank or from a CSV download or something like that. And we're presented with a number of transactions that need resolving. Sage needs to know where these go. So if we start on the top one, as you can see, we've got gross interest as a positive figure coming into the bank for £1. What we need to do is tell Sage how to deal with this. So we click on the drop-down menu. And if you know the particular code in question, you can start typing that. And we're going to call this other income. And we're going to tell it that there is no VAT on this. This is interest received. It doesn't fall into the regime of VAT. It's pre-populated some references and it's pre-populated a payment method. We could tweak that if we wanted to. So in this instance, it's just an electronic receipt straight into the bank. And once we click create, then Sage is going to try and remember that for the future. So the next time it sees grossed interest as money coming into the bank account, it will say, you dealt with this in such a way last time with no VAT and posted to this particular nominal. Am I okay to just go ahead and do the same again this time? So you can click OK at that point. To give you another example, here we have British Telecom, £55.66 coming out of the bank account. So in here, we just tell it where we need to post it to. So I start typing telephone. We're going to claim 20% VAT on that, and I'm going to change the payment method to electronic because it's just a payment straight out of the bank. Once we click create, Sage is going to remember how we treated British Telecom, and the next time that appears on the bank statement, i.e. the month after or every quarter, it's going to say, you dealt with this, you posted it to telephone and you claimed 20%. Is that okay? Do you want me to go ahead and do that again this time? So that's how Sage 1 deals with bank rules. You don't specifically create them, you just go ahead and post them to where they need to be, and it will remember what you did with them and try and do the same again for you next time for consistency. So hopefully that's helped, guys, but if there is anything else that you need to know, please feel free to get in touch, and thanks for watching.